Whoa. There's she's the ocean. Pieces. The ocean. Oh, what's you? Pieces. Papa. Use it up. Use it. She just the oceans are. The absence. The cruises. The Jesus. The eases are. The answers. The pieces. The answers. This is
You did it! Do you have any other ones?
Go get some other letters.
Or you want to do those again? Let me see it again.
The A's are the S's, the T's, the N's, E's, the Q's,
Wait. What's that one?
the D's, good.
Okay.
The Q's, the X's, then the O's, the J's, the U's, ups, the B's, the U's.
Wait, what's that one?
That's right.
What's this one?
That's right.
What does the Y say?
That's right. Make this. I don't know.
Alright, you can keep going. What's next?
Oh.
What's the L say?
Ooh. With the pieces. The pieces. The M's, the C's, and the K's, the K's, the C's, the M's, the B's, the F's. Oh, the Y's, you. What is this? Pop. Use the R. The U's, the X. The Y's, the cup. O's, the R. The X's, the Q's, the D's, the the E's, the N's, the T's, the S's, the S's.
Yay!
Great job, buddy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Love you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
What else do you have to say?
I love you.
I love you.
What are you going to do today?
I love you, Daddy.
What are you going to do today?
No.
You don't know?
No.
What did you do yesterday?
I'm doing the most come get you.
What do you keep saying that?
What else did you do?
The most come get you.
What else did you do?
The most come get you.
Did you see a movie?
Yes.
What movie did you see?
A movie with cars.
You watched Cars?
Yes.
Who'd you watch Cars with?
It wasn't.
Did you watch Cars with who?
Yes.
With who?
It was a big car.
With Mommy and Daddy? Where'd you sit?
I sat on the couch.
You sat on the couch. Did you eat snacks?
Yes.
What snacks did you eat?
I sat to eat pretzels.
You ate pretzels. What else did you eat?
I ate TikTok.
Did you go in the sprinkler?
Yes.
Did you get wet in the sprinkler?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Good.
From the finger.
Mm-hmm.
Say bye-bye.